How you living? Welcome to my channel, Ursula Living, and of course I am your girl Ursula. So today I am coming to you guys just to have a little chit chat about this 3-day water fast that I'm going to be embarking on come Monday. Today is Thursday, June 20th, and I wanted to make this video to tell you why, to share with you why I've decided to do a 3-day water fast, and also it's going to be a slash update on my weight loss journey, because I feel that these two things kind of, go together. So first of all, you guys know that this year I embarked on a journey of losing 20 pounds. My goal was, not that I don't care how long it took to lose the weight, but it was more of, I'm not gonna press it because I'm really trying to find my way and get back into the groove of things. And I was like, if by the end of the year I could lose the 20 pounds, I'd be good. And I know a year is a long time to give yourself to lose 20 pounds, but it can be rough out here for us, right? But you guys know that I started off the year with Transform 20, which is a Shanti / Beachbody workout program. I love doing at-home workouts. And with that program, I ended that, I think it's been like 2 months now since the last update, and I'll link it below or post it up here somewhere, a link to that video. But I showed you some before and afters, and I gave you guys updates on what my weight loss was with that program and my eating and all of that. So with that program and my nutrition combined, I lost 6 pounds in a month and a half. Now, I've not given an update since then, so have I lost the 20 pounds since then? No, I've not lost the whole 20 pounds. Well, actually, I guess that would be your remaining 14 pounds. I've not lost the 14 pounds. I've actually been exercising. I have not been as consistent as I was with that program, but if you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, as you should, you will know that I have been working out. I just haven't been as hardcore as I was with that particular program. And so as of today, I'm actually still the same weight as when I ended the program, which to me, I feel pretty neutral about, because obviously that means that I haven't gained any weight, which lets me know that the weight that I did lose with that program, it was really, I lost fat, I lost weight. It wasn't just water weight. And it also is letting me know that, hey, Ursula, along with whatever stuff you have going on now, you have maintained that. And that's good. That means that I have not drifted off and started back at the beginning. I'm still needing to lose just the remaining 14 pounds. On the flip side of that, yes, that means I did not lose any weight. And it's like, girl, it's been 2 months now. You haven't lost like not even a pound, 2 pounds. No, I have not. I've stayed at the same weight. And that just lets me know that, which is getting into this water fast, is that I need to get down with my nutrition. When you're on a weight loss journey or any journey in life, whatever your goal is, you have to be consistent. And most importantly, you have to be real with yourself. And if I'm being real with you guys, well, let me just give you an example. That's just like, because we're going to stick to like weight loss and health and fitness and that sort of thing. That's like if somebody comes to you and say, girl, I've been working out, and you're like, well, yeah, she has been working out. I've seen a few Instagram posts and everything. She was sweating and everything. But then she's like, oh, but I don't know why I'm not losing the weight. And then you got to think back like, girl, you just ate like 10 Oreos, and you ate at McDonald's last week, and you was drinking all that alcohol at the party. Like, be real. Like, this is why you haven't lost the weight. And so if I'm being real with you guys, like I said, I have not been as hardcore and as consistent as I was 2 months ago. I have been working out, believe me, I'm still pretty consistent, or more consistent than what I was in the past, but I just haven't been like, have I been meeting my weekly goals every week as far as like what days I'm working out? Nutrition obviously has stayed the same, although in the past couple of weeks it has changed some, which is the reason why this whole 3-day water fast has come about, because I started doing a lot of research on alkaline diets. And that also brought up the teachings of Dr. Sebi. And if you don't know who he is, Google him, YouTube, I say YouTube and whatever, Instagram him, whatever research portal or whatever that you do to do research, look him up. You will find a lot of information. A lot of people actually eat an alkaline diet, and it has really, really great benefits, especially for those of us who do have digestive issues or other ailments or things like that. So it really is a good way of living. Okay, it's a good way to get your nutrition and the things that you need for your body and healing of your body and things like that. I'm not gonna go too deep into that, but look, I've been trying to change my diet in that way because even prior to being diagnosed with diverticulitis, I used to be the girl that at least 3 days a week, if not more, I would eat a plant-based diet. And I say plant-based because I won't say that I'm vegan, even though maybe some of the dishes were vegan or vegetarian. I don't want to be the girl to be like, oh yeah, I'm vegan, or oh yeah, I'm vegetarian, because I can't promise you guys that I will never eat meat again. That's just, I'm not gonna promise that. That's just not me. So if you get offended by that, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna keep it real. Plus, I've seen too many YouTubers who be pretending like they vegan and vegetarian and stuff like that, and then you be seeing them chunking down meat. And y'all know I ain't gonna mention no names because I done seen stuff, and y'all be coming up with them receipts and blasting these YouTubers and people that be pretending like they're vegan and vegetarian, because that's the thing to do. I never want to push my ways on anybody. All my videos and what I talk about is just my opinion and just putting it out there because maybe it would resonate with someone else. So, you know, that's just what I'm doing. But anyway, I started looking at the alkaline diet and different things, and I started eating that way. Like a couple weeks ago just said, okay, for 3 days, I'm going to implement this alkaline diet and just see how you cook, how you do, what you eat, just researching it for myself and, you know, putting it into action. You guys, on those 3 days, I felt wonderful. When I went back to a regular diet, if you will, all of a sudden, like, I just felt full. Even now, like I don't feel sick when I eat, but I just feel like full. I'm like, what happened in those 3 days? And I know it was only 3 days, but believe me, 3 days can jumpstart something within your body. And so I was like, oh my gosh, like what was that about? So I just started doing more and more research, and then I saw a little bit about, you know, how Dr. Sebi recommends that you fast, and there's different types of fast and everything like that. I have done a Daniel fast a couple of times in my life. If you guys don't know what that is, it's more of a religious type spiritual thing, if you will. And it's basically you're not eating any meat, you're eating like grains and beans and fruits and vegetables, that sort of thing. And so I was like, well, maybe I need to do a Daniel fast. And then all of a sudden, the more I started researching about fasting and doing all that kind of stuff, because I'm thinking I need something to jumpstart this weight loss. Like maybe I'm like at a plateau right now, even though I know I need to totally change my nutrition around. And I just start feeling this urgency in me. And the urgency, you guys, was God. I'm a believer, and I believe that it was Him. I know that it was Him telling me, go deeper. I'm like, what does that mean? Go deeper. So that's how this water fast came about. And I was like, okay, I'm going to go deeper. And it's crazy because, like I said, whatever kind of journey you're embarking on, whether you're trying to fast, you're just trying to change your life, you're trying to reach a goal, doesn't it seem when you're really trying to make a huge change or do something, especially if it's towards a positive change, it seems like the devil, people, whatever, however you want to say it, it's just like things start happening and coming against you. So as I'm doing this, I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm going to do this water fast. I'm going to water fast, and this is going to be my way of doing things, and it's going to get me on track. And I'm doing this for me, right? And then things just started happening. And let me back up a minute. The reason why I decided, yes, I feel like God was telling me, I know that God was telling me to go deeper. And the urgency is because, and being real, let me just be totally honest right now. Last year I talked about going to counseling. This is like side note. I talked about going to counseling, and then I don't know if you guys know, but I stopped going to counseling. That'll be a whole nother video. I recently found me a counselor again because, again, if I'm being real, when I was talking about losing weight and stuff and consistency and being honest, it goes deeper than that. It's a mind thing, and it could be an emotional thing. And for me, I have been depressed lately. I've had a lot of anxiety. I've had a lot of issues going on within my family. I've had a situation come up where it put me in a place where I had to think back on things that happened earlier in my life, and it just brought a lot of depression and anxiety, and I know that that probably hindered my weight loss and things of that nature too. Anyway, fast forward, back on track, this whole water fast, I was like, well, this is going to help me to break this plateau, and I'm going to get it back together. And then, like, I started seeing things within my family, and not just like my husband, me, and my daughter, but more so like even like just, I'll just say that, let me just say it like this. People in my family, friends, I've just been seeing like health issues come up, certain situations come up, like, because I don't want to tell their business, right? And I don't want to tell it because sometimes when you're fasting, when you're doing stuff, you don't have to tell people that you're praying for them, that you're fasting for them, that they are heavily on your mind. You know, pray and do your part, right? You don't got to announce it to the world. But I'm just saying this because I've noticed a lot of things happening within my family, with my friends. Situations come up where it's not the most positive situations. And all of a sudden it starts coming to me like, this is more than me. It's bigger than me. I got to fast. I got to do this. Not just for myself, but for my friends and my family. And then I was on Instagram one day and it came to me and I was like, oh my God. And again, it was that urgency to, you gotta fast, you gotta do this. Because have you ever heard of a saying, it says some of us are here, I'm saying this totally wrong, but some of us are here based on our grandmother's prayers. And though I'm not a grandmother, but it lets you know that your ancestors, your generation, like you gotta pray for people. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta pray for yourself, but like sometimes you gotta pray for other people. You gotta fast for somebody else. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put yourself out there for somebody else. It's not just about you. It's bigger than that. And that's called doing God's work. And so I know that this fast that I'm about to do is bigger than me. And what was funny is though, that when you're doing a fast and when you're on a journey, like I said, the enemy will attack you. And it seems like every couple of days something will come up with a family member or a friend in a new situation that they're struggling with, and I'm like, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta fast, I gotta do it for them. It's bigger than me. But also the attacks, like I was trying to put some stuff on Instagram story about fasting and grandmother's prayers, and do people remember that, and just feeling like, just wanted to share with them the urgency that I felt to fast and to do this for my family, and not just for myself, but for my family and friends. And like my Instagram stories would not load up. And you know, with preparing for the fast, I've been trying to stay away from meat and drinking a lot more water, eating fruits and vegetables, smoothies, things like that. And I go to the store to prepare myself this week as I'm preparing to go into my 3-day fast on Monday, and preparing myself and getting all the things that are healthy and that are going to help me as I come off of the fast, the refeed part. And I get out the car. I was fine the whole day. I get out the car, from the lower of my back to my buttocks. It hurts. It still hurts. I'm in pain right now. And it got worse as the night went on last night. And I told my husband, see, my husband doesn't even know, but he's gonna know now because I'm putting this on YouTube because he watches my videos. But I was telling him that I said, I'm under attack. And he was just, I mean, he knows and he gets it. But for real, I was like, dude, I'm under attack. And I said, but it's gonna be all right. I said, give me, because I'll be coming off of my, like, if I wake up Monday morning at 7 o'clock, that's when I'm going to start my fast, which means on Thursday morning at 7 o'clock, I will be able to end my fast, unless I feel something in me to keep going, or unless for some reason I have to end it early. You know, you got to listen to your body on these fasts. But it was just the fact that this was happening. I said, dude, I'm under attack. I said, I'm under attack. And he was like, well, you better pray that off. And I'm thinking to myself, no, I said, because he didn't know that I was going to be doing the water fast. And I said, see what happens by next week. I said, by the end of this week, some stuff going to happen. I said, but wait until, but at least give it until next week, Thursday. I said, watch what's going to happen. I said, you're going to see what's going to happen. He did not know at the time that I was going to be doing this water fast. He probably knows now. But I'm like, just wait. Because I know that God is not directing me in this just for weight loss. I could lose 0 pounds, but I know whatever's going to happen. I'm not saying like some sparks are going to fly. I'm sure there will be. I have a journal ready to go of how I feel. I've downloaded an app. If you have done a water fast or anything of that nature, in the past couple weeks, I have watched your videos. I have probably commented on your video. Like, I have been researching, watching. I've been doing a lot of different things. And I just feel like the closer that I'm getting, the more that I'm under attack. And I'm just like, no, this is not going to stop me. I really wanted to work out hard this week. I wanted to work out hard yesterday, and then this whole back thing happened. I don't know. I don't feel like I'm in a position to exercise right now. So I've just been stretching and doing different things like that around the house, and stretching and just doing whatever. But I'm feeling like I'm under attack. And this is just to say that if you are ever thinking about doing a fast, or if you're on a journey and you just feel like, dang, I'm under attack, like, keep going. Keep going. That is nothing but the enemy trying to stop you from what you're supposed to be doing. That is nothing but the enemy knowing that, dang, this girl has caught on. She tuned in. She listened to God and she's doing this. I got to find a way to stop her. And the enemy will use people, things, elements. He'll do whatever it is to try to steer you away from what you're going to do. But oh no, my God, my God. And every time that somebody, a friend or a family member tells me something that's going on in their life, it just re-energizes me to be like, no, I got to do this fast. I'm not stepping away from this. I'm not breaking down. So I'm doing this water. That is my reason for doing the water fast. Yes, for health benefits. I know it's going to detox my body out. Hopefully I'll lose some weight and be able to keep whatever weight I lose on this 3-day detox off. I've seen some people lose up to 10 pounds on a 3-day water fast. Longer, you know, and I guess it just depends on your body. Your body will do what it's going to do. But I am here to tell you that if you're thinking about going on a fast or any kind of journey or whatever, like, don't, when things start piling up against you, you're going to feel some type of way. Yes, you're going to feel frustrated. You're going to feel this, you're going to feel that, but keep going, keep pressing on. And like I said, I know that, yes, I'm going to probably see some weight loss and things like that, but I am more excited to see what God is about to do in my life and in the life of my family and my friends. With that said, if you've done a water fast or any kind of fasting, let me know what type of fast you've done, what kind of weight loss, what kind of results have you had with your body, what are you doing, how did you come off of the fast, like your refeed, you know, whatever you have, like, leave it in the comment section down below, because over the weekend I'm going to be looking at your comments. I'm going to be viewing your videos. If you have videos, leave the link below. Talk to me. Let me know that you have a video on your channel, and I'll go to your channel and I'll watch it, whatever, because I'm excited about this. I've joined a group on Facebook, and it's called, I think it's called A Healthy Alternative, and you guys should check them out. I've downloaded stuff like a fasting app. There's all kind of things. And guys, don't be afraid to fast. I know a lot of people be like, oh my gosh, you're not going to eat, or oh, you're going to cut this out of your diet. There's different ways that you can fast. You don't have to do it for 3 days. You can do a fast from sun up to sundown. There's different ways that you can do it. Do your research, do what's right for you, do what you feel like God's calling you to do. And even if you don't necessarily feel like a particular calling or urgency to do something, like, definitely fast. Like, try it and see how your body feels and see how your mind just opens. Like I've done different type of fasting. I haven't done a water fast in this way before, with my intentions and everything, but I'm truly excited about it. So please let me know in the comment section, like, your thoughts and everything. And like I said, I'm going to be starting on Monday. Also, let me know if you think I should do, I'm going to vlog it, but let me know if you think I should do post a video every day, or I should make just one big video and post it on that Thursday or Friday after the fast is over. But that's, my thought is just to do one big video so you can see it day by day, and I'll try to make it as short as possible. But that's my plan. I just wanted to share this with you guys because, one, for my own usage of being able to come back to this video, but just wanted to share this. Like, again, it's the urgency. Like, I feel like when I'm blessed with something and God's speaking to me, I feel like I need to bless others with that. So when I'm blessed, you're blessed. That's what I tell my family and my friends. When I'm blessed, you're blessed. And I wanted to bless you guys with this. And it's not to boast like, oh, I'm fasting for my family, but it's like, I don't have to boast about it. I don't have to tell anybody about it, but I just felt the urgency to come and share with you guys and let you guys also know what's going on with my weight loss journey and where I'm at and what I'm doing and all that great stuff. But I know I've probably been all over the place, but this is where I'm at. And I hope that we can have some great conversation down below in the comment section. All right. Oh, and also, if you want to follow me a little bit more intimately, personally, on the fast, I will be on Instagram and Snapchat. You can find me at URSULA_living. I will be on all those probably every day, documenting little things along the way of this fast. All right. So, and if you want to join me, let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below and hit me up on Instagram or Snapchat. All right. I will talk to you guys later. Stay blessed.